Wanted to give a public announcement to small business owners. Small business owners. People give reviews. Good or bad, it can help your business. But most definitely you want more good than bad. You can't please everyone. Someone tend to always have a problem with something, I understand. But 100 out of 100%, over 75% people have gave bad comments about your small business. Family, that hurts you, family. That hurts your business reputation. Today, I was about to spend $5,000 with a company. And once I read the reviews, I told the guy, the reason I'm not going to spend my money with you, because I'm pro-black. And so many black people have came and put comments stating what you did to them at this company. So why would I spend my money? The guy said, I assure you, I understand, but we are under new management. It isn't like that right now. We got a mechanic on deck that take care of everything, make sure our stuff is good. We don't send anything out unless it's certified. But you got so many bad reviews coming from us, and you want our money. Well, if you want our money, take care of us. That's all we ask, family. We understand some people gonna give you some bad reviews, but not over 75%. Come on now, family. All gone.